Need your Chase statements for taxes, loans, or your records? If you can't find where to download them, you're not alone. Today, we're locating and downloading your Chase bank statements. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Chase stores digital copies of your statements for at least 7 years, and accessing them takes just a few clicks. Step 1. Navigate to Statements. Log into your Chase online banking or mobile app. Go to your account and select Statements or Documents. You'll see a list of available statements by month. Step 2. Select and download. Choose the statement period you need and click View to see it in your browser or Download to save it as a PDF. You can also print directly from the interface. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: sign up for e-statements to get documents faster. In your account preferences, choose electronic statements instead of paper. You'll get email notifications when new statements are available, often days before paper copies are mailed, and it's better for the environment. So, just like that, you have instant access to all your important financial records. Going paperless goes a long way in staying organized and reducing clutter. Now I'm curious, how far back do you keep your old bank statements? A year, 7 years, or indefinitely? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.